Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 8th of August 2022. So today is Friday, so market sell down. A lot of manipulation also. Today a lot of sell the news. A lot of these stock actually perform quite well. They are report quite well but being sold down. This is part of the market manipulation. Never mind. The camera. The camera, I'm still using the camera from yesterday, the spare camera, my Logitech camera confirmed already, Kong already. Never mind, I reordered another one, also Logitech I don't know I just like the Logitech brand all my keyboard accessory everything I use Logitech. Okay, nonetheless. Wait for a few days. I reorder some Shopee. Hopefully, 1 or 2 days. Maybe Monday or Tuesday going to arrive Okay. US market drop a little bit. Malaysian market also drop a bit So let's check out the introduction first. Before that, don't forget subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Support the channel. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Want to open account? You can try CGS-CIMB. Okay, very easy. Just fill in the form at the bottom. The reminder will call you and help you open an account. You don't know how to buy stock. You don't know how to begin. How to begin to invest. You can always ask. There's a lot of helpful people to help you in CGS-CIMB brokerage and a platform. And also one thing very important. Look at this. Okay, you can play US, Singapore, and Hong Kong stock are also very low brokerage rate. Terms and conditions apply, of course. So you can just open an account with CGS-CIMB. Next time you say you play local stock. Okay, you already know how to play stock already. You want to play US stock, you want to play Singapore, you want to play Hong Kong stock, also can. So very easy, one account, one platform only. Okay. My Facebook is facebook.com trading with KS. So anything I will update in Facebook in the afternoon, morning. I see any activity in the morning, I will update during lunchtime. Around lunchtime, I'll update in the Facebook. A lot of time during my early my coffee my early morning coffee time, or breakfast time, or when I in the coffee shop there, after I eat breakfast, then I will check out the market. Take a look what is happening with my mobile phone. Drink some tea. So or drink some coffee. So if I see something very interesting, then 9 something I will post. 9 o'clock I will post online. I will post on my Facebook But normally when I really do the analysis is after the morning drink, morning tea. Then only I will go back go back to my office. Go back to my office. My office is my home Go back home and start to do the actual serious study Okay. So let's check out the disclaimer. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, so let's check out the global market first. So KLCI still holding above 1,500, 1501, dropped 6.16. Yesterday, remember I say the 6 point is push up at the last minute one. So that 6 point remember yesterday 1502 right up to the last minute closing to 1508 right. So that 6 point is not. I mean how it's dressing most likely it will drop back. So you see today it dropped back 6 point right. 0.409%. Singapore 0.398 up. Hong Kong also still up 0.138. All is percent. South Korea still up 0.715. Japan still strong. You see 0.872. So market is still not bad yet. Thailand is up 0.069. Philippines 1.197 drop. China FTSE are up 0.903. SCGS-SE China 1.191 up. China SCGS-SE 1.691 up. Australia 0.584 up. Australia S&P ASX 200. Indonesia Composite Index up 0.387. New Zealand drop 0.06. Taiwan up 2.27. India up 0.160. So market is still not bad lah. Only Malaysia side drop lah, probably because yesterday too much dressing lah. So Europe FT FTSE still down 0.117. Germany down 0.052, little bit only lah. Yesterday Dow Jones dropped a bit, 0.261. MISE dropped 0.281. S&P dropped 0.078. So today there's a report, non-farm employment report. This one maybe will cause something lah. This one non-farm employment change may cause some how do we call that some volatility lah, some movement in the market lah. So this one okay, some movement in the market. Okay, let's look at KLCI. Oh, sorry, I haven't talked about palm oil yet. So US generally NYSE dropped a bit. Nasdaq still up yesterday 0.414. S&P dropped 0.078. So little bit drop lah. NYSE dropped 0.281. So small drop only. Palm oil continue to go up 4,011. Brent oil 94 drop. Crude oil drop 88. So crude oil and palm oil, Brent oil and crude oil big drop. Gold went up 1,008 already. Silver also went up to 20 already. Okay, so oil keep on dropping lah. Okay, so market Asia not bad. Okay, Europe starting to opening not so good. Yesterday US dropped a little bit, but Nasdaq is still up. Okay, Nasdaq is still up. So let's take a look at KLCI. What is going on? KLCI, another mother and son. Okay, mother and son. Mother and son. Okay, this one second time. First time, second time. And the second time mother and son happening is Rsi Divergence. So this is dangerous. I say this one not so dangerous. This is quite dangerous. Why is dangerous? Because Rsi got divergence. We're making a lower high. This is higher high. You take a quick look. This is higher. RSI is lower. So you have to be careful already. So mother and son. What happened to mother and son? Okay, next Monday, Tuesday. Drop below. I think this one will be a bigger correction. Bigger drop. Okay. This one drop below. I think this time it will go back to 1470. Okay, if it goes above, which is I doubt it can. I don't think it can, but anything can happen. I don't think it can. Okay, I think then it will go to 1522 and 1532, which is, I think this year the market should. I think it will top out around here lah. I think market will top out around. Let me see. Let me zoom out a bit. Let me see. Probably 1,005. I think this area lah. 1,005, 1,003 to 1,530. Around this area to 1,560. I think it will top out to around this area lah. I don't think it can go back to this high. Everyone really starting to push down already, so I think it will come back to around this area lah. I don't think it can go any higher this year. But we wait and see. Wait and see. Tomorrow we want to see the big picture. Tomorrow Saturday we want to see the big picture. Want to see the weekly chart, all those things. See US, so we have a better idea of what is going on. Okay, only see Malaysia. We don't have a big picture view. Okay, so mother and son again above, go above. Maybe still can go. If go below, I think this time it's going to drop. So you have to be careful. Look at Bursa. Okay. Sentiment 49, not too bad. Gainers 376, losers 399. So okay, volume 2.6. So big volume also today. 6.1, 6 point drop, 1501. So early morning, all the retailers start to sell. Then nothing much happening after a big sell down. Then after lunch also nothing happening, flat lah. Only early morning big sell down lah. After that it's flat lah. Okay. Okay, I just don't know lah. This camera also keep on stopping. Yesterday it didn't stop, but today it keep on stopping. I'm so not sure. Genting Malaysia. Oh, I got say watch Genting Malaysia. Okay, Genting Malaysia later take a look. SHS later take a look. Havia take a look. Oh, this one wrong already. 5050 Havia is 5059. Havia. Yeah, 5095. Sorry, this one I post wrong already. 5095. Okay, this one 5095. This one post wrong already. Okay, and also Evergreen. I also got post. Evergreen also moving. My forex video. You can have Chinese. Once you click in. Okay, you want Chinese translation, the forex video you can have Chinese version. So now I don't do Chinese version anymore because
who thinks investing is complicated? Who thinks that you need finance background to learn about investing or trading? I have a
because good morning my friends. Here to Forex VKS. Today is 5th of August 2020. You want to choose the Chinese. So today is Friday, so don't expect market to be too volatile on Friday. Of course, yesterday we got the Britain cash rate. Later we will take a look what happened. Before we start, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. My Twitter is twitter.com/forex. And if you want to open a trading account, there's a link below the video. Okay, do check out. Let's take a quick look at the introduction. So you can change to other language if you want. So this one I have put 2 language, English and Chinese. If you want to see this one, this video. Okay, so do think if you guys want to translate to Chinese. Okay, Darren, period some more. This one I won't show lah. You look at it yourself lah. Cram power cut. Up. This one still up today. Today down. Jaya. Oh, crying already. Oh my goodness. Okay. So today not so many lah. Market not so good lah. Okay. So the video jam or not? Now video don't jam. I don't know lah. Just now it got acting up a bit lah. So now didn't jam. Okay, didn't jam. Okay, fine. We continue with it. Okay, TAKAFUL, second quarter net profit fall 15%. You can see LPI already start to fall. So this one I also expect it will fall a bit. So second quarter fall 14%. 81 million to 69 million. Earning per share dropped 9.76 to 8.32. Quarterly revenue also quarterly revenue is up 701 to 831 million. So not so bad lah. Quarter to quarter basis compared to last quarter drop lah. 86 million net profit. Drop 19%. Revenue also decline quarter per quarter lah. Maybe this one affect lah. So 6-month period net profit drop. This one 6-month period also drop. Okay. 182 to 156 6-month revenue up but the claim I think more claim so there's this LPI I also say because more claim. Okay, more claim Probably lah, I just suspect maybe it's more claim lah. So let's look at TAKAFUL. Okay, TAKAFUL continue to drop lah. So TAKAFUL, I think RSI drop 50. I think it will continue drop for now. Okay, AEMULUS, RSB say it got chance. I didn't put there. They put AEMULUS. RSB say got chance. 21. Past 61 cent. 64 cent to 70 cent. 61 cent, 64.70. Okay, AEMULUS. Past 61 cent. 64. I put 65 lah. A bit different 64 and 70. Okay, so this one so they say the stop loss is where let me see 57 cent Okay, this one agreeable, 57 cent. Okay, so stop loss is here. Okay, 57 cent. Okay, this one Southern Cable, RSB say Southern Cable got chance Southern Cable consolidation phase, attempt to surpass, attempt to rebound Okay, 40 cent, 42 cent so 40 and 42. Hong Leong Bank give 40. So let me see again. 38. Okay, we go to 38. And 42 lah. So this one is consolidating lah. Still not yet lah. Not yet. It say when it goes through 38 cent, then only it got chance But this one so far I don't see very strong. So you have to wait and see So if and the stop loss is here. Stop loss is below 335.5 35.5. Yeah, okay, stop loss 35.5 this one you might want to try but I don't see very strong. You have to wait and see MTRONIC expect 100 million turnover from IoT so they went into the IoT business expect to generate 100 million gross merchandise turnover for 5 years Okay, so take a quick look at MTRONIC. MTRONIC Global, right? Yeah. Nothing MTRONIC. After that day, one day play, nothing nothing much Nothing much The level you want to watch is maybe here If it goes through here, maybe you want to watch 0.16. So CPO output up, okay, palm oil output up 2.8%, and June CGS-CIMB say, and they expect palm oil to trade 4,000 to 4,005 due to labor shortage. So this is quite good okay. MSC profit up but people throw today weird MSC net profit up 13.5 times to 39.5 million from 2.9 million a year ago. Revenue also up 327 Q2 to 408 million So first half net profit jumped 25.1 to 103 million revenue also grew 603 to 768 million so it is strong but today a lot of people sell on news so big sold down today MSC 11 points drop this is a bit weird after such a big profit announcement a big drop this one, okay, we continue put the stop loss 1.965. Okay, if it drop below 1.965 out, if we still hold above 1.965, maybe still can hold a bit because they are making so much money okay, today is sale on news probably maybe still got chance so just put your stop loss here, drop below out drop below out. This is a bit weird big profit drop. Malaysia, right? Big profit drop. PN17 fly up. Big profit drop. KGB back 117 million job. Okay. Gas system distribution. Okay. So commencing in August 2022. Project expected to complete 2024. So good for them. KGB, take a look. KGB. Okay, KGB continue up. Okay, KGB, I think KGB got chance to go a bit more to this Affin one, 150. I think should be able to go 150. Maybe a bit lower here. Here. Okay. 140 to 150 area I think. KGB. Harga minyak menjunam okay. After everyone trying to push down Mr. DIY also another one weird second quarter up profit up 64.6% to 135 million, declare 0.6 cent dividend. So net profit up 82 million to 135 million second quarter. Earning per share also up 87 cent to 1.43. Revenue also up 38%, 7,500. Second Q 759 million to 1.05 billion. So this is good First half net profit also jump 13%, 13.9, 202 to 235 million. Revenue also up 1.63 and 1.95 So it's weird today. I think I saw this Mr. DIY being sold down Yeah, being sold down. This is so weird. Maybe they want to shake out the weak holder. Okay, maybe they want to shake out the weak holder. So this one buy in is 2.095 So this one, okay, you want to take profit, you take profit. That day I talked about here. So the buy in price is 2.095 So because of this big candle, we want to take profit first. Okay, it's scared you want to come back down. But we wait and see. Okay, if it breaks through again out of this, I think it's going up. Okay, if you already take profit, it's okay. If you haven't take profit, maybe you should take profit first. Take some profit first and see what happens. Because today already start to slow down. This target is all the old target. This one all cannot. You have to wait for the bank to put in new target here. These are all old one. Before the stock split. Okay. So this one, once we go out of the channel, we're gonna add again. We're gonna play again. Once go out the channel, once it start to rebound outside the channel, we're gonna add. We're gonna play again. Okay. Okay, video still working. Finally, video still working. TA security say TA say this one going to ECMO going to Ace Market, give it for the value at 41 cents. So you are playing this one, maybe you want to take a look So Tengku Zafrul say our inflation should reach around 11% if no subsidy now they're controlling to 2.2 to 3.2%. I don't feel like that. I don't feel I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm not saying this all this forecast is wrong but I don't feel like it. Malaysia consumer price index increased 3.4%. I don't feel so low Those food morning breakfast those me, you know, wanton mee, all those, right? Last time 7 ringgit one, now is 850. Okay, 8 ringgit 850 already. 7 ringgit one go to 850. 750 one go to 850. Some 9 ringgit. So I don't feel it's 2-3%. No, it just maybe me maybe I'm just overreacting. Okay, guess this one Guess Global now change name to One Glove, right? One Glove. Okay. UEM Sunrise acquired freehold land 384 million. Around Jalan Semarak. Now it's Jalan Sultan Yahya Petra. Used to call Jalan Semarak Okay. So they are to develop They expect this one the development value is 1.5 billion in 4 years Okay. So launching around 2024 Okay, so this one long time to go but just take a look after they buy the land, maybe want to goreng or we don't know. So we just take a look first, put at least have an idea KUEM. Let me see. UEM trying to rebound, but I don't see it can go very far. I don't see it can go very far. UEM maybe I don't see it I don't see anything big I don't see it. Maybe minor rebound a bit, yes. Maybe rebound towards here, yes. But big rebound, I don't see it Maybe it can go back to here, maybe 0.35, 0.31 back to 0.5, maybe yes but I don't see big rebound this one. Stop loss is 0.29 drop below from 0.29 KO So you want to play this one, maybe there's a chance you stay above 0.35, maybe got a chance to go to 0.35, 0.315 if it goes above 0.315, maybe can 0.35 KF, 0.39 but I don't this I don't think can go very far I don't see it. HLB research positive UEM Sunrise but they only give whole core so they are only whole core unchanged target price 30 cents so now we got target price already 30 cents. 30 cents here only so nothing much 30 cents. So they don't expect it to go much HSS engineer JV to provide management consultancy service for MRT3 So The value of the project is 997 million, but how much they get, we don't know. We don't know. Giving the management service, but don't know how much they get. 997. So this one already calling, already too late already. Already calling already that day. HSS. Okay, so this one is holding nothing much. I don't see, I will not chase again because already overbought. So better not chase. So TW holding supplement deal to acquire land PJ for 45 million development affordable housing under Rumah Selangorku So TWL, just take a look TWL. Let me see the stock. Nothing much Nothing much. Nothing much TWL. I don't see anything big. I don't see anything strong, any big rebound from here. If you want to play this one, you look at this. If you want to play this one, go to 0.075, maybe it can go. I don't see anything. So the Ladan, Setia get UMA already, show going until crazy. So public told this MC told be careful. SMF coming from government might be fake one. So you have to be careful. Okay. So look at some momentum stock. Genting Malaysia, we got some rebound today. Haven't breakthrough, not yet. 2.97, go through 2.97, then only you add some more. Now not yet. The first buy is here 2.8, then it haven't go through. Wait a bit more. Unique Fire. Today this Unique Fire listed listed for 21 cents, I think. So it actually went up. Unique Fire went up and come back down. So this one very small. Volume also I think very small. This one very difficult. Very difficult to see. Unique Fire. Let me put a 5 minute and see. This one very difficult. Can't see anything. Okay, this one is this one is luck only This one can't see. The market is just not very interested for now. Okay. Look at other momentum stock. HEXTAR today. HEXTAR also got some volume. Look at HEXTAR. HEXTAR sideways, not very strong. I think sideways only. I think HEXTAR is going sideways. Nothing much to brag about. I think HEXTAR going sideways. Nothing to brag about yet. THS. THS so I already said 1.0 okay, picked up here. So THS is still up. I think THS got chance to go to 1.2. Hong Leong Bank give 1.6 so we look at 1.26 first okay, for the short term. TSX. THETA is technology. THETA first time I look at this company is calling only you see once you go to 0.97, maybe still can go, but this one you want to play. You see when it fly very high. When it drop like a rock. Okay, so this one you want to play a bit. If we can go to 0.97, maybe you can chase in a bit Okay, 0.79 sorry maybe you can chase in a bit. Try your luck. This one Goring GCB GCB is what? A consumer. Okay, GCB is still, you know, a lot of resistance over here lah. This one I still scared to play lah. This one lah. A lot of resistance. Go to 2.5 only we talk lah. GCB. Go to 2.5. LGMS. No, today market not too bad lah. So still got a lot of stock that is quite, you know, still got some energy going up lah. Okay, LGMS continue up lah. So that day I said here, this one no big red candle still okay lah. So this one already one big candle, one big. This one I said I will not chase in. But if you want to chase in, you look at this, you draw this line, right? If you're still above this line, still okay lah. If you drop below this line, you have to be careful. This one overbought already. Okay. This one didn't manage to chase. Evergreen heavier. Okay, so today this bought one suddenly go up. Heavier got sell down a bit. Heavier got some resistance over here. So heavier, I think we have to watch 0.5. If it can go through 0.5, maybe it still can go 0.53, 0.55, but it cannot go through maybe KO. Or maybe there's some resistance around this area 0.5. So heavier a bit not so good lah. Heavier not so good. Evergreen better. Evergreen. Or evergreen possible. Okay, look at 0.52. It need to crack through 0.52. Okay, if it cannot crack through 0.52, then maybe this one end ready. If it can go through 0.5 through 0.58 is possible. Okay, so this one you have to watch. This one stop loss is here. 0.445. Myanmar also very strong. Myanmar that day I say you can pick here. Okay, 0.86. You can pick here now, going up, still going up. So this one no big red candle, continue to hold. This one might even go to 1.0, even go to here 1.06. This stop over here. So I expect it to stop around here. I expect it to stop around 1.01 to 1.06. I expect it to be around here. Okay, so this one continue to hold. So this one already from that day here already up 12%. I think still can up a bit more. I think it still can up a bit more. KP property today got some push. Trying to push up today. Hit resistance. Let me see. Yeah, it hit resistance. So wait for it to break through first. Okay, the resistance is here. .6. Okay, if we can stay above 0.6, then maybe it got a new swing going up. If it cannot go to 0.6, maybe it will come back down. Maybe it will come back down, because many times you see it hit this area, it will come back down. You see hit, come back down, hit, come back down, hit, come back down, hit. So this time hit again this line, maybe come back down. If it can go through, then maybe it want to fly Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, don't forget big picture day. Okay, we want to see the US tonight, what happened. Then we want to see Apple, Tesla, all those what happened. Then next week we're gonna idea whether technology still can tahan or not. Okay, bye bye.